Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Car Moon. My name's Mike and today I'm going to be talking about two exciting products from Deity. We have got the Deity D3 Pro and the Deity v.lav. Let's jump into it. Okay, so right here we've got the Deity D3 Pro. So this one here has got a lot of accessories in here. So it's nice to see a little seal. So as you can see, we're going to break that seal. Let's open it up. So I'm doing this all raw, so I've never actually opened up one of these before. So if I'm making any mistakes, I do apologize. So we've got an instruction manual in the box, and we've also got a beautiful case with it as well. I absolutely love that. I'm just going to place the box over on the side. So let's open up this. So this is more of a test to see what the unboxing experience is like as well. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got the mic just over here with the foam shield sort of already attached on. We've got the USB Type-C connection just over here. We've got the output connector. We've also got the dial just on the back over here. We've also got the Ryko shock mount as well, which looks like we can sort of adjust sort of forwards and backwards, as you can see. We've also got the low pass filter as well. It's 75 Hertz or 150 Hertz, which is nice. So I'm just going to peel that off, and we've got a really nice long barrel as well. We've also got the mic just on the top over here. Really nice. That's really nice. It's also nice to see that the foam shield as well has got the cutout for the Ryko shock mount as well. So if we slide that in, it fits really nicely. Fits really nicely. Obviously, we've got the big Deity branding on the side. Obviously, a new company, they want to obviously tell people. So we've also got a USB Type-C cable included as well. And we've also got the TRS and TTRS cable included as well. And that's basically it. That's all you get with the box. So here's an overview of all the products. So we've got the case, which houses the Deity D3 Pro really nicely, as well as some of the cables that it comes with, which is really nice. The cables, as I mentioned before, you got the USB Type-C cable, and that's a USB-C to USB Type-A connection. And then we've got the cable to connect it up to your camera or video or a microphone recorder of choice. And we've also got the Ryko shock mount as well, which is really nice. We've got the foam windscreen just over here. Not a dead cat, unfortunately, included with the kit. And obviously, what all of you are probably interested in, the Deity D3 Pro with the adjustable gain knob on the side. So I will be doing a full review of these products, of this product I should say. Going to be testing out over the next sort of few weeks. So we'll see how this fares up compared to my Rode Video Micro. So we've just unboxed the Deity D3 Pro. So let's jump into the Deity v.lav and see what we get. We've got the Deity v.lav, and one thing that's really interesting is that it still says aperture in terms of the sticker. So I don't know if I've got an early model or something like that. I'm not too sure if they still sell them, but yeah, quite funny that. So I'm just going to open up the packaging. So again, it's something to do about the warranty and everything like that. And we've got the case. So again, a very nice case included as part of the Deity microphone package. So it's really nice to see that they're including really good quality packaging and cases actually for their microphones. It's something that I'm not used to, let's say, with Rode. So we'll open that up. Nice. And we'll just reveal what's inside. We've got a foam windscreen just over here, a spare one, because it looks like it already has one fitted to the microphone. If we just remove that one to sort of reveal what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, which is really nice. Okay, so we get two of those included, which is nice because I always keep losing that. We've also got the Deity cable tie around the actual lav mic. And then the thing that makes it magic is this, this little thing, the Deity Smart Connector. So in here houses a micro sort of processor that can detect whether you're using a camera or a smartphone. So you can use this pretty much with anything that basically has a camera and a jack, really, which is really nice to see. Let's just see if there's anything else. So we've also got this little flap on the inside of the case, which houses the furry wind muff, which is white. I've seen a lot of comments about this. Obviously it really does stand out, so I'll see what it does actually in terms of reducing that wind noise, but I do hear that this is a really good dead cat for a lav mic. So here's the overall look of what's included in the box. So you get the v.lav case, you get the dead cat for the mic, obviously the microphone itself, the lav microphone itself, with everything included. So a very nice long cable and a Deity cable tie, which is really nice to see. And we've also got 2 foam windshields. So really nice to see all of that included for your money. So there we have it. We've just unboxed these 2 products, and let's find out in the next few weeks whether it is worth, whether it was worth my money. Deity didn't send these products out to me. I did pay for these with my hard-earned cash, so I'll be very unbiased with my review when they come out. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button as I talk about camera tech, gadgets and smart gizmos. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. That really helps me out. I will put links in the description down below for both of these products. But until the next video, look after yourselves and I'll see you next one. Bye.